Hey everyone, it's Chef Mark. I'm back in the laboratory, and thank you for your questions in the comments. And one of them was about this Paragon induction unit that I use very frequently. And I had it featured in my "Can you use a round bottom wok on a flat bottom induction burner?" And the answer to the question was yes. And one of the questions that I got in the comments was, does this make a lot of noise? Is it loud? And I thought to myself, no, it's plenty quiet. And then it occurred to me that I never run this while I'm making videos because, you know what, the fan is, it's loud enough that it kind of messes up the audio in my video. So here we go. I'm going to do a quick audio test. Also, I want to show you some of the features that this comes with and how it operates. So here we go. I have it set on number 10. Okay. And the fan's going to kick on. There it goes. All right, so I'm talking at about the same volume level, and you can hear that it's loud enough that if you have a small kitchen, you're going to notice it. These portable induction, they really do need that fan to keep them from overheating. I do have another one of these, and it overheats quite frequently because it doesn't have a fan. It's very, very quiet. So that really is the trade-off, I think. I've had this unit now for almost 6 years, and it's extremely durable. It's really held up. You can see I've actually cracked it right here. I dropped it from a counter, just fell off, landed right on that edge, and that's it. And it's held up very well. I think over the course of 6 years, it's lost a little power. It doesn't seem to boil water as quickly as it did initially, and I don't know if that is placebo effect. I'm just thinking that, or if it has lost power. I don't know, but it still does a well enough job. It'll bring a large pot of water to a boil in about 10 minutes. I would say the noise is on par with, let's say, an OTR, an over-the-range microwave. If the fan's on low, it's about the same sound. I don't think that that's very loud, and I will say that this does have a white noise to it. It's not there's no like bearing that's like screeching around or anything like that. It's a constant noise, so it kind of disappears once you have it on for a moment. All right, so what else does this unit come with? Because I wanted to show you some of the features here. Well, a lot of the features I never use. There's a rapid precise and a gentle precise features, and I believe what those do is they're kind of automatic cooking here. Let me get the camera a little closer so you can see here. Pardon the shaky tripod, but that's all right. We're going to get there together. We're going to cross the finish line together. And then you have 1 through 10, and then there's a direct and a start-stop. I usually turn it on to 10. That's really how I use it. There is two kind of smart functions here that are pretty clever. This is for sous vide, so it's a thermometer that attaches. So you can see that this probe would go in the water, and then it's a magnet on the other side, so you can turn any pot into a sous vide feature. And I asked the engineer on this because I was at First Build. 1B or First Build is a company owned by GE, and they develop a lot of specialty products, like this induction burner, the Opal ice machine, things like that are all First Build products. So this has a Bluetooth. You hook that up, it will wirelessly communicate. You turn it on. Again, I've never used this feature. It's cool. I have a wand style sous vide, which works great, but if you're technically advanced, you could certainly use that. And then you can take this back part off, and it has this cooking pad. And again, I've never used this either. But apparently you set this here and you set the pot on top. And what it does is it allows it to open up quite a few features as far as determining the temperature of your pan. I believe this will hook up to the Heston Q software. I don't know, maybe somebody can tell me what you think about this. Again, I've never used it. I've held on to it thinking, I'll do some testing someday. Nah, no. As a professional cook, I kind of prefer to do things manually, but these automatic features are fantastic if you have if you're busy, if you have a family, or if you're looking for a little bit more precision. All right. Well, hopefully that answers the question. Is the Paragon induction unit by First Build, is it noisy? My opinion is as medium noisy. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for the questions and thanks for asking questions in the comments. It means a lot to me. That's why I'm here. I come here to educate the public on the toys that I have in the laboratory. So I appreciate it. Make sure you click that like and subscribe button. We'll catch you next time.